Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Yes, once again, what is the prediction for this coin this year? Top crypto experts have actually released their prediction for Terra Classic coin. Now remember, Terra Classic burning this year is definitely going to increase, and we believe Binance will continue to support this coin, and also we are expecting Coinbase to actually list this coin this year. And finally, Terra Classic is expected to hit at least 1 cent before the end of the year. Well, the truth is, Terra Classic is one of the best coins, and so many people have been talking about Terra Classic a lot of last year, 2022. When you take a look at coin market cap, you will discover that for many months, Terra Classic dominated the searching. They become the top search on coin market cap, but most time you will see them on the first, second, or on the third for months. But I believe that this coin is going to hit a massive increase in price before the end of 2023. Now, with the support they've been gaining, and Binance have also been showing great support. Even on Twitter, they've been talking. Binance founder CC is fully behind and not giving up on Terra Classic. And Terra Classic community have also said they are fully behind Terra Classic this year, 2023. Everyone is talking about Terra Classic, and most people are even talking about Terra Classic hitting $1. But to me, I don't think $1 is going to be possible this year. But anything can happen. But our prediction is focusing on Terra Classic hitting 1 cent before the end of 2023. The Latin 2.0 is possible in 2023. Now, I also believe if the burning of Terra Classic will definitely increase. And remember, last year, within the space of 3 months, they burned about 37 billion coins, and over 1 trillion coins has been staked. So if Terra Classic can really burn or delete at least 1 trillion, this coin might be ending up this year hitting over 2,000 to 10,000%. And I believe it is possible for Terra Classic to hit 10,000%. Hitting 1 penny is possible. I believe very soon, I believe Coinbase might be listing Terra Classic and also accepting the 1.2% tax bond. We're also talking about Robinhood coming in to support this coin. This year is going to be a great year, and I believe all these exchanges will definitely partner with Terra Classic, and the burning will definitely increase so massively before the end of 2023. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.